Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by getting the environment ready, unlock the phone, and stand on the exact home screen page you want the widget. Once there, long press an empty area to reveal the widget's menu and wallpaper controls. This is faster than opening app menus. Make sure widget support is enabled in settings if the widgets panel doesn't appear. Now tap widgets to view available items. This direct start gets you into the actionable interface immediately so you can add the widget. You now choose the right widget and size, scroll the list and pick the app and dimension that fits your layout. Drag the widget onto the home screen, hold, position, and release it where you want it to settle. Once placed, tap it to open any configuration options. This is where you set accounts, shortcuts, or data sources so it updates properly. Make sure to grant required permissions, otherwise the widget may stay blank. This step wires the widget to your app and data. Finish by resizing and nudging the widget so it fits visually and doesn't overlap icons. Many launchers let you lock layout to prevent accidental moves. Test the widget by tapping or waiting for an update. Make sure live data appears. If the widget fails to show or remains blank, restart the phone, update or reinstall the app, and clear the app cache. These actions resolve most permission or resource issues. If problems persist, check launcher.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.